Hello third graders, I'm going to show you how to edit a document on Google Classroom. So once you go into the assignment and you click it open, up here it will say whatever the assignment's name is, and it will have your name attached to it as well, so that I know that that's your personal copy of whatever page you're working on. So most of the time whenever you open up any document, it looks like this, and it's really hard to read. So my first piece of advice is to come over here to the magnifying glass and click that, and then whenever I have my magnifying glass, then I'm going to click one time, and then that way I can see whatever it is that is on the page. So for example, this is the subject and predicate page for this week, and it's called What's Missing? Directions. Next to the incomplete sentence, circle what is missing, the subject or the predicate. Then make it a complete sentence on the line. So here's how you would do something like this. So to circle what is missing, you're going to come up here to shape, and then go over and find the oval, circle, there we go. That's the flowchart connector, but I don't want a flowchart. So I'm just going to use an oval, and then once I have my crosshairs, so that's what my my cursor turned into, crosshairs. So what's missing? And it says played baseball last week. Well, who played baseball? We don't know who the sentence is about. And when that's the case, the subject is what's missing. So whenever I do that, I cover up my answer, but that's okay. It'll just let me know that you know that's what's missing. And then to make it complete, you are going to enter a text box. And most of the time, for nearly everything you're editing on here, you will insert a text box. So you come up to insert. There's two different ways. You can do insert and then text box, or you can just hit this T in this square. And then once you do that, you get the crosshairs again, and then you can draw a text box that you can then type into. Now I can adjust the size of this text box so that my words can fit in there. So what was missing? The subject was missing. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to put a who. Mrs. Allstott played, no, notice I'm not capitalizing P this time because it's not the beginning, played baseball last weekend, and then a period. And so then once I click out of there, then now I have, and I can even move that down if I want to actually have it like sit on the line or be closer to the line. And so this number one then has been answered. I have covered up what is missing. I have made the sentence complete, and now I'm going to move down to number 2. And then I'm going to make a separate video to show you how to turn things in. And I'm going to have to log on, I believe, as a student to show you how to do that. So I will load up another video in just a few moments.